everyone, just a very quick video on how to upload your forecast, your lesson plans, and all of your information to our Teams account. So once you're on this page, Office 365, and I know most persons typically just type in Office 365 to get here. You may also type in some portal information, but once you're on this page, you're going to scroll along the side to look for your list of apps that are available to you. You're going to select the one that says Teams. Once you get into Teams, I'm going to, just in case you don't see it open right away, I'm going to look at select Teams right along the side. You're going to see all the teams that you are a part of. You're going to select the one that has the compass and protractor, Anatol Rogers Math Senior. Once you select that, it should bring you to a page that looks like this, which has general information. If you notice, there's a brief write-up that says everyone has been assigned a folder to upload your lesson plans and forecasts. We have been asked to use this platform for our record submission by our supervisor, of course. So do ensure that everything is posted by the due dates as listed in the back of our back to school booklets. So once you're in here, you're going to go to Files. Find your name and open your file. Now let's look at uploading a document. Once you're in your file, you're going to select Upload. Select Files. And you're going to navigate through your computer to find where you have your forecast for each week saved. So let's say this is the document I want to upload, Solving Equations Review. I'm going to select it, hit Open, and you should see right here it says uploading one item, and there you go. My document has been uploaded. So now I have everything there ready to go when our supervisor reviews it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you can use it. Take care, everyone. Bye.